Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your electronic parking brake with auto hold in the all-new 2021 Kia Sorento. I have in front of me here an X-Line 2.5 turbo all-wheel drive in Aruba Stone Green. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the electronic parking brake button is in your center console here in this cluster of buttons. If I go ahead and pull up on the parking brake button, it is going to tell me here on the instrument panel that it's now engaged. To disengage it, if I were to press down on the button, the car is going to ping and tell me that my foot needs to be on the brake pedal in order to disengage it. So when I press my foot on the brake pedal and I press the button down, it has now turned it off. I'm going to go ahead and turn it back on again. And if I were to put the vehicle in drive, you will see that it will disengage the parking brake for you, so you can't accidentally drive around with it on. I'm going to put the vehicle back in park. Now the auto hold feature, the button is to the left of the electronic parking brake. So if I go ahead and press that, it comes up on the right side of the instrument panel screen there in white saying auto hold. I'm going to now put the vehicle in drive and start moving forward. You'll see that it actually went green, because that's telling me that the electronic parking brake is now holding the brake pedal for me so I can take my foot off of it. And to get going, all I'm going to do is just tap the gas and it goes white and I can start moving again. When I go and apply the brakes myself, you'll see that icon went back to green again to tell me that the e-brake is holding the brake pedal for me, and now my foot is off the brake pedal. And to turn it off, you go ahead and press the button again. Oops, sorry, foot on the brake to disengage that. And now I've turned it off. And that's how you do it. As always, thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button and that you subscribe and select the notification bell to stay up to date with all of our videos. Please go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.